And so once again, we are live at our house. So today our activity was we baked pandesal, and it was really nice. As per the people around here, they say that my pandesal is way too good. La la la. And this little fellow here went to Daddy Richard's house to check on him, and together with Mommy Jet, and they walked, and then these guys in my background. Okay, so that girl, I don't know what that girl is Maurice, and the mother of this boy is playing Tong Its. Why is she playing? Papatulfo ka namin, may ebidensya kami sa'yo. May ebidensya kami sa'yo. Papatulfo ka namin. Tsaka yung lolo niya nagtutong Its. Ebidensya kami sa'yo. Ito namang tita ninang ni Dudong Wanay Zaak at saka si Mami Jet. Anong ginagawa nila? What are they doing? Apa anda buat? Actually, they are planning to match the color for the New Year's curtain. They're planning to put curtains in our house. So I don't know what color is. I don't know what color is nice. Oi, what are you doing? Apa anda buat? So yeah, go to your mom. May ebidensya po kami. Okay, so okay. So Tita Nina said rose gold and blah 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 is nice, but then alright.
1 man siya, 1 liter, 2 liter, duha lang ang palitan.
Nahala, duha na lang.
Duha or dito.
Baba Black Sheep. Alright, so muna siya ang content sa atong vlog, no? Ganahan mo makakita sa pandesal, guys. Kay tanaw na to if naa pa ang pandesal. Perfect bigid murag. Na siya gamay nga smoky crust. Yate. Smoky crust, ug pasabot pa uling na ang nasa crust. Burnt. Uling roasters. So atong tanaw sa guys, hatagan ta mag moment kay makita mo. Uy, ay gikaon niya. Sus paita gikaon, gitangag intaw. Paita aning uy siguro sa litang. Yeah. Wa sabi. Sus paita. Gatangag intaw na ni taga-ana ay. Ito pa, wala sa nag. Go. Yeah, puasa na good. Anyway, back to English or Tagalog. So, di tayo magbibisaya. Di tayo magbibisaya. So, ngayon, puntahan natin yung pandesal na ginawa natin. Sige, let's go. Brum bum. Alright, here's the pandesal. Guys, so okay, so that was our pandesal, guys. And then this muna sila ang mga sugarol. Okay, so lain ba yato? So, gusto talaga magluto itong anak ko eh. Kaya ko lang. Kasi palagi siyang tumitingin dito. Anyway. Hoy! Hoy! What are you doing? Apa anda buat? Mari. Mari ka. Alright, so muna siya ito ang updates guys sa ito ang channel. Welcome back. And welcome back. So, that is our trip for today. I will see you next time. Back to you!